everyone. Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make fragrant chicken biryani at home, step by step. Ingredients: 500 grams chicken, 2 cups basmati rice, 3 onions, 3 tomatoes, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 cup yogurt, ginger garlic paste, biryani masala, turmeric, red chili, whole spices, bay, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, fresh coriander and mint, ghee, oil, salt, lemon. Step 1. Marinate. Mix chicken with yogurt, ginger garlic, turmeric, chili, biryani masala, and salt. Marinate 30 minutes or overnight. Step 2. Rice. Parboil basmati with salt and a few whole spices until 70% cooked. Drain. Step 3. Fry onions. In a heavy pot, fry thinly sliced onions until golden. Remove half for garnish. Sear marinated chicken in the same pot until partly cooked. Add chopped tomatoes, green chilies, half the coriander, and mint. Cook until oil separates. Step 4. Layering. Spread half the chicken, then half the rice. Sprinkle fried onions, mint, coriander, lemon juice, a drizzle of ghee. Repeat the layer. Step 5. Dum. Cover tightly. Cook on very low heat for 25 to 30 minutes. Use a heat diffuser if you have one. Finish. Gently fluff, serve hot with raita or salad. If you liked this, smash like, subscribe, and comment your biryani tip. See you next recipe. Bye!